Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Access Tech. So just imagine you want to sell on Amazon. You might be selling your own product, or you might be buying product from suppliers and selling them for profit. No matter which way you sell, you need to know the market. You need to know what is selling well, how much it sells for, and what the competition looks like. Now you cannot just guess. If you guess, you might pick a product that no one wants or a product that has too much competition. This is why Amazon sellers use research tool. Two popular tools in 2025 are Helium 10 and Keepa. Okay, so first let me talk about Helium 10. Helium 10 is a full set of tools for Amazon sellers. It can help you to find product ideas, research keyword, track your sales, and even optimize your listing. For example, you can type in any keyword and it will show you how many people search for it and how much sellers are charging and how competitive the market is. It also has a Chrome extension, so you can see the data directly while browsing Amazon. Now Keepa is little different. Keepa is best known for price tracking. It shows you the price history of a product over the time. You can see if the price went up, went down, or stayed the same. Keepa can also show you the sales rank history, which tells you if a product is selling more or less over the time. Keepa is also compared to Helium 10, but it is very powerful for understanding the trends. So the main difference is this: Helium 10 is like a big toolbox with many tools for all parts of selling on Amazon, and Keepa is more focused on tracking the price and sales history, but it does that job very well. And in present time, both tools have improved. Helium 10 now has more automation, meaning it can send you alerts when something important changes. And Keepa is now has better data chart and can track even more product details. So which one is superior? It depends on what you need. If you want an all-in-one tool to find product, research keyword, and manage your listing, then Helium 10 is better. If you already know what product you want to sell and you just want to track its price and sales history, then Keepa might be a good enough for you. Some sellers use both. They use Helium 10 to find the product and they use Keepa to track the price and track the history and decide the best time to sell. So just remember, Helium 10 means a full Amazon seller toolbox and Keepa means deep tracking for prices and sales ranking. Both are good, but your choice depends on how much research and management you want to do. So now I hope you understand the difference and the working system between these Keepa and Helium 10. Now I hope this video was helpful for you. If this was, then please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.